Hey guys, Jared Fisher here, director of everything over at Escape Adventures. Today I want to take you to a place called the San Juan Islands, which is in the state of Washington. Now, I have a particular love for the San Juan Islands. One of the reasons is my father lives there, and he lives right on the actual bay there, and where the ferry goes out to the San Juan Islands, the Orcas Island, San Juan Island, and Lopez Island. And I really enjoy taking groups out there and enjoying the beautiful backcountry and the rolling hills on the islands. So I'm going to take you into a little video footage that I shot. I used my drone quite a bit on this, and you'll notice some of the shots. You'll be going over and seeing windmills, you'll be seeing open grasslands, you'll be seeing some vineyards, you'll be seeing some of the ferry rides that we took from island to island, and that's all the unique portions of this particular trip. And when you're out on the ferries, sometimes we even see sea lions. You might even see a whale in the distance. So I hope you enjoy it. Here you go.